What is this? Oh my gosh. Yes. Hey everybody, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I'm in my happy place. I'm in one of my favorite parks, and it's one of my happiest times of the month because I just received the Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Every month, Lisa from Cache Advance packs up outdoors and geocaching goodies and sends them to me, and then I get to open them in front of you on camera. It's a win-win-win-win. There's a lot of wins happening. Oh my gosh, I loved last month's Cache Crate because I got a sweet, really unique geocache, and it's going great, it's going well. I've gotten good feedback on that geocache. I have not opened it. As you can see, I literally have no idea what's in here. You're going to be surprised, just like me. First of all, look at the presentation. Oh, it's always looks so nice. Oh, Lisa thinks of everything. The tissue paper matches my glasses. What is this? Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, I've been wanting this for so long. It's the Cache Me If You Can geocaching card game. So I knew that there was a board game version of the Cache Me If You Can, but I didn't realize that there was a card game, and now I have one. I love it. The Cache Crate is included in the game. I guess if you get this card, it's good because you get lots of geocaching goodies. Oh my gosh, one of the worst things you can encounter, especially me, snakes. That's a hazard card. Watch out for these people. Big time hazard, the muggles. Oh, we encounter this hazard a lot up here in the Northland. Cold weather. No kidding. I'm gonna have a ton of fun playing this geocaching game. I wonder if I can get my family to play with me. Maybe you can also do magic tricks with it. Take a card, any card. Really solid so far. Let's see what else is in it. Yes, these are so great. It is a preformed geocache, but check this out. The best logbook in the world. It is a logwork logbook. Look at this, how it opens. That's how it opens. You guys know how annoying it is to unravel and re-ravel those little tiny nano logbooks? Look at this. And it's on Write and Rain paper. Really nice paper. A nice preform, a geocache. So far we got a game and we got a geocache. Things are going well so far. Oh my gosh, this must have been very popular last month because look, I got another one. I got one of these last month. It is a flat geocache. On the back, a logbook with Write and Rain paper again. I'm gonna have to think of another place to hide this. So I always get the add-on Trackable, and I got a little tag here. It says a technology tag. I can attach a little traveler to this. There's a Trackable code on this side that's trackable at geocaching.com. I think if you scan this, it'll also take you to the Trackables page. So good. This might be one of my favorite Cache Crates of all time because I got a game, I got a geocache, I got another geocache, and I got a Trackable. This is a really good Cache Crate. Way to go, Lisa. Oh my gosh, if you are interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. You can subscribe there and you can quit anytime, and you too can get geocaching goodness sent to your door. You can get your cache pants on and you can make it happen. All right, like I said, I always like to use the things on the Cache Crate, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little Trackable tag, and there was a little elephant attached to my keys. I'm gonna go to a geocache that's probably one of the most filmed geocaches I've ever filmed. We're back, and sure enough, the geocache, it's there. So many of you have seen this cache before. It's called It's Under the Trunk, and I'll show you why. And it's perfect, a perfect place for a little elephant. Why is it called It's Under the Trunk? Because the logbook is literally under the trunk. The swag is in pretty solid shape too. Somebody left a cash in, trash out bag. All right, I was a good geocache owner. I got this all cleaned out, dried out. I gave the elephant his seasonal pet on the head, and now this elephant Trackable will join this elephant and go off on a journey. What should the goal be, guys? What should the goal be of this new Trackable? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Now go over there, watch another video, and I'll meet you over there. Thanks for hanging out with me.